luck, good luck.
Basta lang.
Nice, nice. Yeah, first attempt first one. Oh, I mean for 10 beta.
Masyadong mayanig ata yung ano kayo, no? Nakahayo.
Few minutes, a few seconds delay.
Oh, delay.
Yeah, I feel delay too. Just resolve it once you did. Here, middle.
Sino tao?
Yeah.
Sino pa ba man? Ay,
Come here.
Nag-additional ng damage siya eh.
Okay, for the stamp later, can one hit.
Ayun. No.
Big stamp jump. Oh no.
Dash.
I got this. Discard.
Ayun.
Okay.
I forgot about stomp.
Yeah, that's one hit this time. Middle.
Middle.
Okay. No.
Hindi ata kaya. Hindi nga. Na puno yung gauge na. Okay. Stomp.
Yeah, this stuff. I need to master that stamp.
Something na lang. Direct side. Dores.
Ay, good. I will rest after me. Oh, ito dito rest.
Dito ay. Ilipad na yung mga ML. Kaya ba?
Hindi.
Rest na lang. 43?
We cannot break the wall.
Yung after damage. Ito na. Camp.
Ay! Ay!
Okay guys. 10%.
Riso guys. Time is counting. Riso.
No.
Nice, clutch.
Let's guys. Yay!
Mine is full.
In the yeah.
So, also I'm trying to adapt Shank's control. He can hit this. Share bless.
Oh, okay.
Amen. Uy, blessed. Nice.
Blessed mind. Thank you guys. Title. Congrats. Congrats, Hana.
So we for ball make later we do PT list. Oh wait, I will let Hana 12. So, Hana 1 8 3 6 salad 7 us 9 queso 11 bean wait 12 1 3
Mag, maganda nga.
oh lock 4 5 6 queso 7 I'm 9 then Carl is 11. Then we will make this pose for pose permanent. Kizu, how many flowers do you have left? 3? You
Oh,
don't have
no.
flower anymore, or you can get. Oh, that's not enough. You don't have another hope flower in your sub, something, or yeah, can transfer from sub. Do you know how to FDC first close? Just do you know normal FDC, right? The yeah, in task. Do in task, then once you log in, after you select the channel, once you see the the town map or the town loading screen, just spam F11. While spamming F11, you will go to cash app. Well, wait, let me PM you Discord. You can FDC now. DC while Logging in again. I will PM you Discord.
ご機嫌うるわしゅうご機嫌うるわしゅうよろしくお願いします
After you log in, select character, it will loading screen. When loading screen, keep spam pressing F11 until you suddenly go to cash shop. Then click exit. Yes, good. Just do that. Yeah. After you log in, just select your sub first. Check your sub who got the flower, then pass to server storage before you open your main character. Then once you open your main character in loading screen, just spam F11. BP or kasama yun nagan mo before. Yung subs na sa bilin ba niya?
Ano yung title kanina?
Bow title. Ano yun? Can you link the title? Yeah. Bowfasta pouch. It gives 5k attack and some percent HP. I think 8% HP. That's 30k to 50k each. I'm doing this for flower transfer. Yes. Yeah.
Gawa ko siya ng snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman? Wala palang source dito, no?
Oh, last verse.
CDFD. Baba FD ko dito. 74.
Ano bigay ng S1?
Yun. Oh. Title. Taka ito.
Nool.
Kaya pala nababagaan. Oh, 8% din kasi. Doon nilayuan ako, ginagawan ko na nga ng snowman eh. Yawan na sa'yo.
Kaya pala.
Thanks guys.
Pwede si kaya isa?
Oh, nag-eating flower.
Ganito na itong spirit eh, no?
Chiviro.
Lol, you have a lot of flower. Okay, get. Then don't forget to spam F11 again if you will open your main character.
Ipag gumalaw.
Ano po ulang yun ni Shanks?
Yudi.
Tito ni lahat pala yun.
Ito na.
Yaman niya si Shanks eh.
Tapos isang AOD main weapon, kahit plus 8. Spirit. Tapos yan, chill potion.
Di nag-uri si Jin si Shanks?
Di makita origin dito.
Lumalabas yan.
Ah?
Di makita
lumalabas.
origin.
Di makita.
Ayun gamit nyo. Holy.
Bug ba yan?
Bag.
Pag nasa loob ka talaga, ganun. Sa lahat. Walang origin. Nadopligan na. Ako na lang muna, pairam ako. Pairam mo na ako, pairam. Ako, ang tagal ko nagkaroon ng epic. Ano ba naman yan?
Same.
Alas ko kompleto ka na 17
Parang
pieces. Or
magkapatid ata kayo ni Hisauzia. Road to 20 ship.
17.
17.
Ay, nako.
Ay, naka 14 lang ako.
Ikaw, buti ka pa.
Our posa, don't forget, wait.
Pa-remind na ako ulit.
12 Hana, then Ed1, 3 Baal, 5 Salad, 6 Uzi,
13.
Kizo 7, 9, 11 card. Right. By the way, do not use skill.
Just skip.
Yeah, during bubble.
Unlock. Pills.
Mga slayer na yata to eh.
Careful kayo sa laser ha. Makawanit yan.
Good.
Ayun, higit.
But it's okay. Just skip razor. There's no penalty yet.
Ayun, hindi na ba?
Just careful. Agoy. Huh? What?
Ba't lang hit ka?
Hit this, the statue.
Hit statue.
Statue. Out of time.
Statue na pala yun.
After clearing the, what you call that? This one, the laser. Hit the statue, the mid statue.
Ready.
Okay, mid, hit.
Hindi.
How much to buy plus 6 EGD?
Pabigan pa din sa Redobe.
Uy, yun.
Ano nga, plus 6.
Oo.
Plus
I,
6 EGD.
I think Severus skill.
Usually 300 kg. First up.
Ben is buying. Smart.
Okay, hit sa shield. Hit. Okay, go. Hit. Nice. Oh, zero skill is that.
Dito may sa bakal kay di tayo.
Ikaw na kaya yun na. Kay Kyle ah.
Pagawa na naman kayo ni Isa.
Here this a lot laser na.
Opaw.
Pau, go pau.
Opaw.
finish attack ko po.
Hindi ako kapatid ko eh. Matt.
Grabe yan. Focus para dito talaga.
Boom.
Kunat yan sa'yo.
Hit na, hit.
Yun, nag-baby.
Okay, save hero skill again. Save hero skill
Yeah.
to break the statue. Kera, laser. Laser.
Call ba lang? Tag-call ko. Napagpapano.
Hindi ka batawagin.
Okay, fail. Ready hero skill ito. Okay, hit. GG, what? The hero skill. Grabe, wow. Na hero skill.
Ayun. Naturo pa nga.
Okay, let's explore ito. Rain. Jump, ready, jump.
No.
Shit.
Yes guys.
Just rest. Let's explore here. We need to practice that stamp. Care for the cow. Rain. Jump ready. You can iframe that or tumble, but the best is jump click.
Nice.
Here, reverse control.
Hindi pa umabot.
Rain. Let's see later for bubble. Bubble. I'm 9, so this is my...
Wala na pa.
Jump ready.
Ang sakit ng malapit. Kailangan pag tumatawa.
I
Tumatawa
hard to
yung
hit this and aggro. Kiora? Silk Rain. Middle, idi. Kaya, fire debuff. That's all make, guys. The make will keep repeat. Master the array. The stamp one. Rain. Ready jump ah. Jump to the left and to the right. Oh wow. Only 2 deaths. Middle idi. Rain. Yay, jump ah.
Hindi ko na fuck.
I eat all the lava.
Bago na na-reflection ka. No. No.
Mecha? Oh no, it's indeed. It's sorry, bad. Jump, ready?
Wala akong buhay. Masakit
Hey,
naman.
9 o'clock. Time 9. Uy, sumuntok may bowl. We reach 50%. Yeah, time out. Only 6 minutes. Time is so short. It's okay, we practice the mech here. We need to stay alive. Ready jump ah. Thank you. We do if RDN on. RDN. Oh no.
FRTN or
BDN light clear, sorry.
Yeah.
So we will clear the light for weekly. Yeah. Is 1, but let's try is 1 to is 2.
Masakit-sakit to.